let's talk about recycling and sustainable future. Recycling is an essential part of creating a sustainable future. It helps us reduce our environmental footprint and conserve resources for future generations. It also allows us to reuse materials that would otherwise be thrown away. By recycling, we can reduce the amount of waste we produce and help create a more sustainable world. We can also upcycle materials to create new products or use green technology to create products with less environmental impact. Recycling is not only good for the environment, but it can also save money in the long run by reducing the need for new resources. Let's focus 5 keywords: recycle, reduce, reused, upcycle, green technology. All of these are all related concepts that are centered around sustainability and the protection of the environment. Recycling refers to the process of collecting, processing, and transforming waste materials into new products. It aims to reduce the amount of waste that ends up in landfills, conserve natural resources, and reduce energy consumption. Reduce refers to the effort to reduce the amount of waste generated in the first place. This can be achieved by making changes in daily habits, such as using reusable bags, reducing water usage, and avoiding single-use products. Reuse refers to the practice of using an item multiple times before it needs to be disposed of. For example, using refillable water bottles instead of disposable plastic ones. Upcycle refers to the process of converting waste or used items into new, higher quality products. This process often results in a reduction of waste and a more sustainable product than the original item. Green technology refers to technology that is environmentally friendly, energy efficient, and sustainable. This includes renewable energy sources, energy efficient products, and sustainable transportation options. In conclusion, all of these concepts are important components of a more sustainable and environmentally friendly future, and each plays a role in reducing waste, conserving resources, and protecting the planet.